It has never been easier to carry all my groceries in one trip than with these Mammoth grips. So in this video, I want to tell you what these Mammoth grips are, as well as what you can do with them. My husband affectionately calls me 2D One Trip whenever I come home from the grocery store. 2D is my nickname, and One Trip meaning that I will do everything in my power to carry every single piece of grocery from my car to inside my house as best as I can. I hate making multiple trips from my car to inside the house. So when I found these Mammoth grips online, I knew they were made for me. So the way these work is you can see how they are designed. You get a set, so you get two of them, but they can each hold up to 100 pounds each, which is unbelievable. With the way it works is that I no longer have to slip my groceries onto my arms and into my hands, which would very frequently be painful. I'd get cut from the bags into my forearm. You just take the grocery bags and you slip them into these little grooves on either side. And then from there, you have these really nice handles that are very easy to grab and hold on to. And you just carry your groceries in. Recently, I had my car full of groceries that would have easily taken me 2 to 3 trips to get everything in the car. But with these Mammoth grips, I got them in one trip. Now, what's cool about these Mammoth grips is that you can use these for other things. Because of how they are designed, you can carry paint buckets on with these Mammoth grips. So like if you did that, I definitely would recommend carrying one paint bucket on either side, so that way it stays balanced while you're holding it. But you can also hang clothes from here. Very easy to hang your hangers off of the Mammoth grips. So many things that you can use and apply these Mammoth grips for. The reason why I chose these Mammoth grips over other brands I've seen out there is because I could just tell in the pictures and in the reviews that these were just on a next level as far as sturdiness and strength. And I was not disappointed. These are very, very thick. There is no wiggle or give with these Mammoth grips. I could just tell with how these feel, they're gonna last a long time. So yes, if you're looking for an easier way to carry all your groceries in at one time, or if you just wanna find a better way to carry things like paint buckets and propane tanks that can otherwise be uncomfortable, then you gotta check out the Mammoth grips. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.